up today? We're going to talk about, let's just say, Starbucks. Well, Starbucks is in the news, as you can see. Starbucks says it will stop offering the plastic straws you get at Starbucks. You know, when you order, like, I don't know, cold brew in your frappuccinos and you get those little plastic straws. Well, they're going to stop offering them to their customers in their new edition of the Starbucks drink when you order your cold brew or your frappuccino or your refresher. By 2020, they say. As you can see that they're gonna, the reason why this is gonna make sense because Starbucks want to be more environmentally friendly. So, are we excited about this, or is this another flute and say, wow, straws, not offering any straws? Do you like using straws with your frappuccino? I know I do. You know, less mess. I know there's a lot of those eco-friendly straws. They do make them. I'm just saying, they do make eco-friendly straws. So, is this for real, or is this a flute? Let me know in the comments below of what your thoughts on this one on Starbucks not offering the plastic straws. As you know, that Starbucks wants to be more eco-friendly, which is fine. Do you use Starbucks straws when you order something at Starbucks? I usually just order hot coffee. Or that, what's that drink I order? Gosh, I can't remember what drink. Oh, pumpkin spice latte. That's right. I don't think I drink a straw with a latte. I'm just saying. Do you think this is a good sign, or is this a bad sign? What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. And yeah, that's pretty much it today. Make sure you hit that subscribe button for more information, for more videos like this. All you have to do is hit that subscribe button for more videos like this, and make sure you follow me all over it of @STRAWS Live. And let me know what your thoughts are on this one, on this Starbucks case. Let me know in the comments below. See ya, peace, bye, and subscribe.